squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Yeah, face all of my things because I'm just weak. I'm gonna go wash my ear. So as you can see, my ear look a hot mess. And oh shoot, now what I can drop some soap my drop out because it won't wash. Anyways, I know y'all see by the title, this is the same sleek low ponytail, braided ponytail from the last hairstyle. Today is day 7 and I'm a hot mess. As you can see, my ear won't wash now. Honestly, the flake started day 5. So when I uploaded the last video, there wasn't any flake, and I come to a realization that my hair just cannot process these products properly, meaning it just sits on the top of my hair and then when it dry, flake. It no matter what product, it doesn't matter what product, it's gonna flake. I've come to that realization. Say I just that ear type that me have, so that's gonna happen. So the products that I'll be using to wash my hair today, the products that we've all been sleeping on. Like, I've been seeing these products for years in stores, in Target and so forth. I have a friend that told me, like, I saw her with her curls popping and I was like, what product do you use? And she was like, Aussie Miracle Moist 3 minute this, that and the third. And that was like what, probably 2014, 2013 when she told me these are the products she used. And I was like, oh, all right. And I never tried it until now. Tried it twice already, 2 times already. The 3rd time I had to come in here and tell you guys about these products. So the shampoo and the conditioner, it's the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo with avocado and Australian jojoba oil, and also the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner with the same avocado and jojoba oil. These products make my hair super soft, moisturized. You know, you have some shampoo that make your hair feel rough because it cleanses your hair so much. You give your hair that deep cleanse, your hair just feel. This shampoo leaves your hair feeling soft before you even use the conditioner. I am not kidding, I am not joking. $2.99, $2.99, can't beat this. Like, these are cheap but so good. Like, now I feel like I found my new favorite shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair with these 2 products. Then I'm gonna get into the best part of this video, using the 3 minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner. It has the same avocado with jojoba oil. I know you guys probably not believe me, you know, just like how when my friend did tell me how much teen years ago and I never take her serious. Try it. They're in Target, $2.99, $2.99. Just to try it for that price, you nah lose nothing. And I'm gonna wash my hair with these right now. You see my hair right now, oh, it just stiff and dirty and just a hot mess. Look when I come back, what gonna happen. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back. So I just got done washing my hair with the shampoo and the conditioner, and yo, feels good. And I forgot to mention the smell. So refreshing. The smell is everything. When I had the products in while washing my hair, my curls were popping, especially my curls in the front, because the curls in the front is 4A, like right here is 4A, and then the breast is 4B. Anyways, because I look a little crazy right now, let's get into the video. I'm gonna be using the Aussie 3 minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner. This one has avocado and also it has the Australian jojoba oil, and I've it done already. I so often use this. True. And also the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'm gonna be using both as my deep conditioning treatment. I'm gonna be doing my hair in sections. So I usually do my hair in 4 sections just to make it easier. I wanna see how much hair me have on my head top, so I have to do it in a sections. Aussie, me not lie, you come out strong. You come out strong like the sun a while ago, because a while ago rainy that here and the sun come out strong. And I'm so Aussie I come out strong in my ear right now. Watch it. Honestly, the next thing I like is that this is a pump bottle and not one of my affair knockout every minute. No, you just push the pump and you get what you need. So now I'm gonna apply a little of the castor oil before I do a comb through. Alright, so now I'm gonna do a comb through to make sure the product is distributed everywhere, like it's every strand, just to make sure every strand of hair get the products. Super soft. When I feel fight, comb just a slide through, easy. Then I'm just gonna put this in a loose braid so you can just go and soak in the deep conditioner. And I'm just gonna be doing the same thing to all the other sections. So I'm done applying the deep conditioner and the black castor oil to my hair. So usually when I'm doing my deep conditioning treatment, I'll mix the products in like a container, like mix the oils with the deep conditioner just to make it easier. Everything, just mix it all up and apply it to my hair. But I just decided to do it separate, you know. So now I'm just gonna put my cap on and leave it for maybe an hour. I'll let you guys know how long I had it in for. I'm just gonna leave it and just do some chores around the house until I am ready to rinse. No words. This thing right here, 1 hour later, and may I tell you, my hair is just super soft already. So now I'm about to rinse this out, and then I'm gonna come back to show you guys and let you guys know how I feel, even though, like I said, this is my 3rd time using it, so I already know how moisturized it makes my hair. But I just want you guys to see. Hopefully you guys can see and get what I'm saying. I know you guys can't feel it, but at least you guys know what I'm trying to do right here. When products work for me, I just have to put it out there so you guys can try it too. When I ask you, when I ask me, I tell you, my hair super soft, super moisturized. I mean, the shrinkage is real, but if only you guys can just touch my hair right now. I recommend these products. Alright, so I know you guys get it. I've been explaining throughout the video how amazing these products are, so I know you guys get it. So now I'm gonna style my hair, but that's gonna be a separate video, so look out for that video after this one. I'm gonna be styling my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was a successful wash day. I hope you all enjoyed this video and also try out these products. If you guys decide to try these products, I purchased them at Target. Also, please follow me on Instagram at Krissy. I'm gonna leave my Instagram name down below. Please tag me on Instagram if you guys decide to try these products, so you know I can see, I could repost on my Instagram. So yeah, and also thank you so much for the support that I've been getting on my YouTube page. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every single one of you, everyone that watches my video. Leave comments. Like, I love to communicate with you guys in the comment section, so just keep below the comment section and comment your thoughts. Let me know if you guys want to recommend other products for me to use. You guys can leave all, just talk to me in the comment section. Just talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have ever tried these products before. Let me know if there are any other products out there that you guys want me to try. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate every single one of you, and please subscribe. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make that like button blue. Please stay tuned for my next upload for this hairstyle that I'm about to do. Stay tuned for that one. That one will be coming after this video. And yeah, that's it. So stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.